In this video today, we are going to do a review how to trade the new listed token once again in Mexc exchange. So if you are just coming across this channel, to subscribe to this channel. As you can see, we are on 259 subscribers, and our main goal is for you to take this channel from 259 subscribers to 1000 subscribers. And also check on this video description, you are going to see our official Telegram group. So our official Telegram group is where we offer our trading board services. Right over here, we offer both crypto trading board and forex trading board, so which you can also see over here. These are some of the reviews people who are trading with our crypto trading board. So you can see over here, somebody over here made $493 trading with the crypto trading board, right? So, and you can also see, if you scroll up here, you see a lot of reviews over right here. So right, so which you can see over here, somebody here made $2,675, and you can see another one here, somebody made over here $1,044, right? And if you can still scroll, you will see a lot of people. So how to activate this crypto trading board is just for you to send them to admin. Admin is going to tell you what to do on how you can activate the crypto trading board. And also, let's move back to our Mexc exchange. Now this is our Mexc exchange. Now how to locate this new listed token, right? Is for you to click on this hot search. So once you click on search, you see hot search new listed, right? You can see over here, these are the new listed tokens that are about to list. Take note of this, that we trade only perpetual, right? So over here, this, let's say for instance, this token has been this trend USDT over right here. Now as you can see over here, this token on daily time frame is showing us that the token wants to pump up. Right now, let's go to 15-minute time frame. Take note of this, that all these candlestick we are seeing over here represent 15-minute candlestick. All right, so as you can see over here, in 15-minute candlestick is telling us that this token is on down trend, right? So over here, so we are going to head back again to our daily time frame to really confirm what this token is about to do, if it is true, or if this 15 minutes is just fake candlestick. All right, so which you can see over here. You can see over here now the token is still on down trend over right here. Now you don't just come over right here for you to open this short or for you to open long, because you might do this candlestick might tell you, okay, it's short, is maybe it's going to down, or it might also show you that it's going up. So the next thing you have to do is for you to copy the name of this token. Either you go to your ChatGPT and ask, do your proper research to see if this token offered an airdrop. So another way for you to do a proper research, right, is for you to go to X, that is Twitter. So if this token has a positive feedback from people, just know that this token is going to pump up. Just know also that you are going to open long, right? So if this token has a negative feedback from people in X, that is Twitter, just know that this token is going to turn. It's just for you to know that you are going to open short, right? So that is how it is. So you just see over here, you don't just depend only on this candlestick, because this is a new listed token, right? So you don't just depend on them. So you can depend on doing your proper analysis in X, use your ChatGPT so that they can give you more information about this token, right? So that is it. Also, thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. Don't forget for you to subscribe to this video and also turn on the video notification, and also check on this video description. Like I said, you are going to see our official Telegram group where we offer our trading board services, that is statistical arbitrage board and triangular arbitrage board, and we also offer forex trading board, right? So very soon we are going to be giving signals on the new listed token, and also we are going to give signals in futures trading and sports trading. Thank you guys once again.